Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to take a trade on gold using my strategy. And as you can see, it was a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So I first identified my order block, which was this one here, and my order block had a fair value gap on top of it plus liquidity here. So I had to place my pending order on my order block, and it immediately had to be mitigated. So let me show you how I was able to identify my market direction and everything. So as you can see, we had a higher high here that broke structure. We had a pullback, which I consider as liquidity, and we had to wait for price to come back to our order block down there. And when price reached there on the order block, immediately I had pressed my pending order, so it had to be triggered direct to take profit. And as you can see, this was a good trade, a 1 to 3 risk to reward. And you can see the strategy is the same, guys. So this is the liquidity, my order block, fair value gap. A fair value gap, as I told you, is the gap between the third and the last candle after the consolidation, or the gap between the order block and the third candle. So let me first extract this illustration and show you from a side or what I looked for exactly. So this was a pullback, a break of structure, then a fake pullback that to go back high. Yeah, it didn't break structure, so it came back, collected my order, and went straight to take profit. So I'm going to extract this and put it here, and I show you from the illustration. So my order block was here, down here. My fair value gap was here, as you saw it on the chart. My fair value gap was here, and this was liquidity on top of the fair value gap. There was liquidity here. This is my liquidity. So I had to place my pending order here, a buy position, and market executed it and immediately ran to take profit. Yeah, my take profit is always at the highs as the next point of liquidity, and my order was there. So as you can see, this illustration, I've just extracted it from my trade here. So this is the trade that I took on gold. Yeah, and I remember giving you this signal on this channel. So if you always follow, you'll always make profits on this channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video.